Hey guys, Adam back with another video. Today I'm breaking 2014 tops. Got these at Walmart for $11.98. It should include 10 packs plus one exclusive commemorative NFL kickoff coin inside. Hopefully I can get a Russell Wilson rookie. I think this is rookie year. I could be wrong. Let's open up and break this. And here the coins look like. Hopefully it'd be nice if I can get this here. This card inside is not necessarily the one pictured. Okay. Alright. 10 packs, I think. Plus one special pack. See if I can get it open. And here at the commemorative coin. Open this last. Pack one. Let me move my camera a bit more. And here are the odds. Right there. Pause if you want. Here we go. And here the cards look like the base. Patrick Patterson. All Pro. EJ Manuel. Base. Herrick Douglas. Team card. And then a mini of Tom Brady. Pretty cool. Not numbered. Maybe out the next 4 games. Insert of Deshaun Jackson. And a rookie of Benoit. I'm supposed to be at work, but I'm late. Who gives a shit? They can't fire me. Cause, it's okay. Benoit, Green Ellis. Aaron Rodgers. Wesley Woodyard. Bowman. And insert Roman Davis. Unleash. Okay. Kevin Pryor rookie. Justin Gilbert. Trent Richardson. Ali. Ron Bennett. Richard Wayne. Insert Fantasy Focus. Ashton Jeffrey. Crabtree. And Greg Robinson for my PC for the Rams. This is Matt Kelly, Victor Cruz, Bobby Wagner, Shane Green, and that's Bryant Mini, not numbered. Pretty cool, got 2 mini. Ron Matthews, Falcon Club, and Nicholas Hot Wiki. Nothing special yet. Deshaun Jackson again. Sean Lee. Albert Morris. 30 Yards Club, Tom Brady. Back in his team. Brendan Coleman and Dre Archer. Is it? I wonder if it's an SP. Probably not. Nope, it's not. I thought it is a short print, but it's not. It looked like it, but it's not. Willis, Okatree, Sinu, Bills, English, Marino, Win, Cannon, and Mike Davis. 4 more packs to go. Hoyer, Dixon, Andrew Luck, Mike Davis mini rookie, that number pretty cool. Jamarco Murray. This is fantasy strategy, kind of short. Ferguson, Romo, Tommy David, Riley, and a goal of Charlie Jones. Should be numbered. There it is. 8 of 2014. Kendall Wright, Troy, and Anthony Barr. 2 more packs to go. Olsen, Captain Newman, never heard of him. And Steals and a focus of Bernard, claim AJ Hawk, Eric Ebron rookie, and a Greg Wilson rookie. Last pack. And then we get onto my patch. Corn, I mean. Torrey Smith, Rams BC, Daniels, Ryan Rose, and Orson Wilson, Unleash, pretty cool. Greatness, Unleash. Zoom in, zoom out. There we go. Let's see the card. There it is. A Matthew Stafford Green, not numbered. I got 3 minis on this pack, on this blaster. Brendan Roby rookie. And here it is, my commemorative pack, corn. Who will it be? It's from the Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Pretty cool. This is my first one ever to get this. Larry Fitzgerald. There it is. Really, looks really thick. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time on my video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and talk to you later.